Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson of how to speak Bosnian. Today we will learn how to look at the adjectives in Bosnian language in relation between masculine and feminine nouns. Many adjectives in Bosnian language have the same ending. The stem ends either on "r", "ak", and "an". So these are the masculine endings for masculine adjectives. But when we change them or prescribe them to a feminine noun, they change. Now let's take a look at the change that happens. So if we take a look at the adjectives such as dobar, dobar is something that just means good, right? And something that follows it needs to be a masculine noun. But if we're talking about feminine noun that comes after it, then we need to say dobra and not dobar. Okay, so this is a prime example of adjective that ends on R or AR stem, so in masculine noun. So what happens here is that all these adjectives ending on AR in the masculine form will drop that A and then we'll add A after the consonant, the last consonant, meaning R, and to prescribe it to a feminine noun. So if we take a look at example here, on je dobar student, ali ona je dobra I studentica I majka. Again, on je dobar student, ali ona je dobra I studentica I majka. Here we have dobar because we're talking about student. Student is a masculine noun, and therefore we're keeping this form of dobar. In the second part of the sentence, we have dobra I studentica I majka. Because we have studentica that ends on a, that's a female version of student, and mother, again, it ends on a, therefore it's a female noun. We are using dobra. Dobra. So this is called a movable A in Bosnian language and appears in many different adjectives and nouns in the Bosnian language. Look at another example of R stem adjectives in Bosnian language that lose that A for feminine nouns. So, mokar, it's a masculine adjective for wet. Mokra, feminine. Example. Zbog jake kiše, Goran je došao kući sav mokar. I Ana je bila mokra. Again. Zbog jake kiše, Goran je došao kući sav mokar. I Ana je bila mokra. Here we're talking mokar in the first part of the sentence because we're talking about Goran. Goran is a person's name and it's a masculine name, it's a masculine name, it's a masculine person. So we're keeping the masculine adjective for him, right? And so for the second part, Anna, it's a feminine name or name prescribed to a female person. And therefore we're using mokra, the adjective for female nouns, mokra. Another adjectives that follow the same rule are adjectives in masculine noun that end on an or an stem. For example, dosadan, boring, dosadna, boring female. Now, if you see here, dosadan, again, that an, so that a goes away, and then for female version, we need to add a. So dosadna, and then we plus that a that is missing, so to prescribe to a female noun. Example. Tea je rekla da je Goran dosadan, a Ana nije dosadna. Again, Tea je rekla da je Goran dosadan, a Ana nije dosadna. Tea is actually the name of a person, it's not T. Tea stated that Goran is boring and Ana is not. So dosadan, again, because we're prescribing it to a masculine noun, Goran, which is a person's name for a male person. Ana is female name, therefore we're using dosadna. Okay. Another example. Besplatan. Besplatan. Besplatna. Besplatna. Free of charge. Mislim da služi čaj koji je besplatan i kafu koja nije besplatna. Again. Mislim da služi čaj koji je besplatan i kafu koja nije besplatna. I think they serve tea, which is free of charge, and coffee, which is not free of charge. So if we're taking a look at the besplatan, the first part of the sentence, again, chai, masculine noun. We know it's a masculine because it ends on a consonant. So besplatan is prescribing being prescribed to chai, to that masculine noun. Therefore, we're using the masculine version of this adjective. For coffee or kafa, kafa is actually a feminine noun. Therefore, we're using besplatna. Other masculine adjectives that follow the same pattern are the ones that are ending in ak or ak stem. So now let's take a look at the example that we have here. We have kratak, kratak. Kratak means short for masculine. Kratka, kratka means short for feminine. Keep in mind when you're talking about humans like short male or short female, you will not use this adjective. This is used only for a movie, for a bridge, for a road, piece of wood, or something like that. So this particular adjective is not prescribed, should not be prescribed to a human being. Okay. Now let's take a look at the example. Rukav ove majice je kratak, a I cijela majica je kratka. Rukav ove majice je kratak, a I cijela majica je kratka. The sleeve of this shirt is short. The whole shirt is short also. So here, kratak is because in the first part of the sentence, we're using the masculine adjective form, kratak, because we are talking about rukav, about the sleeve. Rukav ends on consonant, therefore it is masculine noun, and so we're using the masculine adjective for that. The second part of the sentence, we're using kratka, feminine form of this adjective. We're using it because we're talking about majica, or the shirt. Shirt is feminine noun in Bosnian, therefore we have to use the feminine adjective for that, so kratka. When talking about the masculine adjectives in Bosnian language ending on these stems, we have to also mention the AK stem that have sound change. So if we're talking about sladak, which means cute, but it also means sweet for masculine nouns following it, we need to keep in mind that in a feminine form of this adjective, the sound change happens. Therefore, that the letter D or the sound D will change into tuk sound. So it becomes slatka, slatka. So if you were to say cute boy, you would say sladak dječak. If you were to say cute girl, you would say slatka, djevojčica. But if you were to say sweet cookie, you would say sladak kolač, but you would say slatka torta for a sweet cake. Now, let's take a look at the example we have here. Kolač je sladak, ali I ta torta je baš slatka. Once again. Kolač je sladak, ali I ta torta je baš slatka. The cookie is sweet, but that cake is also sweet. Kolač ends on ch sound, right? It's not on a vowel, therefore it is a masculine noun. Therefore we're following the masculine adjective, sladak. But when we're talking about torta or cake, it ends on a, therefore it is a feminine noun, and we need to say the feminine version of this adjective, sweet, which is slatka. That would be all regarding the masculine adjectives ending on r, ak, and an stem. For your homework, I would like for you to complete these or change these adjectives into feminine form, like pametan, smart, važan, important, sretan, happy or lucky, ljubazan, kind, inteligentan, intelligent, and težak, difficult. That will be all for today. Thank you for learning how to speak Bosnian with us. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And until next time, ciao!